Hello everyone, greetings of the day. I am Mydhilli. Welcome to Elevate First Accounting and Audit Firm. Today we are discussing more about AML insights of real estate, gold and diamonds. Our boss Mr. Parth is here to share his view.
Thank you, Mydhilli. Thanks for arranging this discussion. As you know, nowadays AML is becoming very strict in UAE. Why? Because UAE was in the grey list of FATF for almost 2 years. After that, UAE government took a decision how to make the compliance and anti-money laundering services more stronger, and there should be a proper mechanism to understand and to control the illegal money that used to come to the legal system. So they identified some industries. As an audit company, mainly we are focusing on real estate companies and gold and diamond companies. And if you will check the AML authority, they are asking for several inspections to those businesses like real estate and gold and diamond, and we are helping them to establish a proper policy, how to get their people trained and how they can protect themselves from several penalties. Just before we got into this discussion, I got a call from one Indian real estate company. They got a penalty of 450,000.
I understand, sir, but why AML is mandatory for real estate and gold and diamond businesses?
Actually, Mydhilli, AML is anti-money laundering. Anti-money laundering means you have huge money. You want to convert that money to assets. So you are finding whom I can give money and my money will be converted to the asset. So your money, if you are paying to the real estate company will buy a piece of land or a flat or a building for you. So your illegal money that you acquired from your home country, it can be from Africa, it can be from UK, from Russia or India. Your illegal money, you are finding difficulties how to digest, how to keep it safe. Now this is a flat or building. So your money got converted. So you are happy now. Second, you want to buy gold and diamond. Gold and diamond dealers, before, they used to not ask anything. You bring money cash, pay them and buy your gold, buy your diamond, buy your precious, any other precious metals. So your huge money in the briefcase now is a small piece of assets. You are at safe. My money got converted. Down the line 5 years, you will sell that piece of gold, piece of land, piece of the building, then you will convert that money as legal money to your account. This is how money laundering used to happen. In UAE, nobody used to ask before 5 years. Wherever you are bringing money, we are ready to give you gold, we are ready to give you property. But now government told finish, those happy days gone. Now you will have to tell me from where you got the money. As a real estate company, they can maximum take cash 50,000. Gold and diamond, you have 500,000. They can maximum take cash 50,000. More than that, they will ask, show us where you got the money. You got the money by withdrawing from your bank. You got the money by selling your property, your car. How you got? You need to show the proof. That's why real estate and gold and diamond companies are on focus by the government. It's mandatory for them, and future also they need to be properly taking care how to stop this.
That's a great information, sir. What strategies Elevate has implemented to help clients with AML compliance?
Yes, that's a good question, Mydhilli. Actually, when we started getting calls from our clients that are you helping in the anti-money laundering services, those calls were mainly from the real estate company, from corporate service provider, sometimes from the gold and diamond companies. We were not having that knowledge to serve those clients because that was not part of our bucket. Then how I strategized, I hired some people who used to work in the banking anti-money laundering division, other financial industries anti-money laundering division, we hired them. Then I checked myself what certification and courses I can go for. I went for 4 certification for the AML. Those few are international certification, few are local certification. I got myself ready. Then as I told you, I hired people. I am now also adding people. Recently,
We have a big team as well.
yeah, recently I hired somebody who used to work in an African central bank. So Arabic lady we hired. So those people are contributing their knowledge, and me, I am driving the team, and now we are fully ready to handle any size of companies anti-money laundering services. You can ask me what we are doing. You are a real estate company or gold and diamond company. The day you got your license, same day, contact us. We will register you for GoML. That's the first thing. You cannot say, no, I don't know where it is written. You need to register for GoML on the first day. Once you are registered, then there will be a portal, there will be user ID and password. That's the window where government will always interact with you. After registering, government is forcing you to have a policy and procedure. Policy and procedure is the manual how you are going to take care of the AML. The policy and procedure as an audit company we will prepare for you. Then you need to appoint one MLRO, Money Laundering Reporting Officer. So as a company, we can become your money laundering officer, and we will be report to the government when we find any suspicious transactions. We will report. It's our duty is not to report. We registered, we prepared the policy. Third thing, we will declare ourselves that we are the money laundering officer. Fourth thing, whatever you do, government will come for the inspection. Inspection is not mandatory. Once in a while they come randomly. So when they are coming for the inspection, the business owner should be busy in his business. So he cannot stop business and present himself, yes, I am ready for the inspection. No. So when the inspection come, so real estate company, gold and diamond company, they tell us, hello Elevate, there is an inspection for the government. Yes, we signed contract with you. We will present the inspection. After inspection, sometimes those AML officers from the government department, they ask AML audit. So audit also we can prepare for you, because we are audit company. We will prepare the AML audit. We will declare everything. Everything is on track. The company is following all the policies and procedures recommended by the Ministry of Economy. That audit report will be signed by the local auditor, means our owner of the company. Then we will submit this. This is how, just by paying, let's say a small and medium sized company pays us 30,000 in a year. So we protect them in all possible way. And I told you that registering GoML, when you are registering, government wants you to attend several seminars. Government wants you to well connected with the government department when they are adding a company into the sanction list. Sometimes they are adding a person into the sanction list, because there is a list of sanctioned people. Yeah. Sometimes they remove, sometimes they add. So that they will intimate you. You need to acknowledge, yes sir, I understood. This client is not in my list. So all these things, who is going to take care? Elevate will take care.
We are fully strategized.
Fully strategize everything. Any size of big client, we are working with real estate companies having 100 agents. We are working for them as the compliance officer. And the minimum service fees, Mydhilli, you can say, starts from 25-30,000 in that range, and it depends on the size of the company. All we will take care. Screening, giving the positive signal, proceed with the client, A to Z, AML and compliance services, Elevate takes care for your client.
That's a great information, sir. Let's go to next question. Yes, sir, but still I do have small clarification is needed. How you detect and report suspicious transactions?
That's a good question, Mydhilli. Generally, we want not to report anything.
Okay.
We want just to help our clients. This is a good client and proceed. But sometimes you need to report, because there are many people in the sanction list. We have, I told you that we have a screening software. I will take your name, your date of birth, your passport number, your place of birth. I will insert in the software. I will give the details. Then I will understand that you are a negative person or you have some financial crime background. Then I will report. Mydhilli tried to buy a real estate from this agent. We will report. Sometimes the client comes multiple times to buy gold and diamond because there is a deadline, there is a limit 50,000. Every week you are coming 2 times to buy gold 50,000. Yesterday you purchased 50,000. Business owner could not understand because many clients are coming. Again the same client is coming 2 days after, again buying 50,000 gold. So it means suspicious. So I need to report to the government where this person is getting cash. Every alternate day he is buying. So these kind of suspicious transactions, and also the screening software plays a vital role to identify the suspicious transactions. Your background I can check through the screening software. We have a wonderful database. Wonderful database means that software is not limited to UAE database. It's global database, global. So if there is a sanctioned person in Syria, sanctioned person in Russia, sanctioned person in Pakistan, so we can find him from the software. Mainly those sanctioned people are politically connected people. They have a political connection with the ruling party, ruling family, and they have huge money. They are just helping. So we find them from the software.
Let's get connected more, sir. Like, what challenges you face when you serve the businesses in AML services?
Mydhilli, this AML, you understand that it's new. The traditional business owner, they are not happy when AML implemented, mainly this gold and diamond and real estate people. For me, the major challenge is not the policy and procedure, not government. The challenge is my client. Many times my client is not very happy to share the actual information to me. My client hired me to do the work for him because it's a government mandatory requirement. So I will give you one example. Let's say my client got a bigger amount transferred to his account. My client got a call, or he had some connection from any African country. Let's say Angola. Angola is an African country where people are used to deal in gold, diamond, precious metals. Someone transferred the money. Let's say the name of the person is Angela. Angela transferred 500,000 to my client's account in Dubai, and that Angela called my client and told that my brother will come and he will buy gold from you worth 500,000. But my client didn't disclose me, and client also did not do the due diligence of Mr. Angela.
So in this case, how you help them, sir, to address this issue?
You see, I am not aware of this. How can I help? But later, bank understood this money came from one high-risk jurisdiction, Africa. So bank will report to the AML authority. The way we are helping client, bank is always looking, scanning the kind of transaction. Bank will report to the AML authority. Please check the huge transaction, huge money came from. So the AML authority will initiate one inspection. When the inspection will come, my client will say, Parth, you attend the inspection. When I am going for the attending inspection, I was not aware of this transaction. And my client has no KYC. My client did not check anything. So at that point of time, I am helpless. So what we generally insist, we repeatedly tell our client, whenever someone is transferring the money to you, first check the KYC. Know your customer. Passport, residence proof, date of birth proof, where he is staying, what he is doing, as much as possible information you take. Don't be greedy to sell to the client. This is one challenge. Second challenge, in UAE, is something like, I don't like to tell, changing of nationality. Today you are from Pakistan, you have 200,000 USD, you can buy a passport from all those easy Caribbean countries. like Grenada, Saint Kitts,
Yeah.
Dominica. You pay in 6 months, your passport will come new passport. Now your name is Mydhilli. Tomorrow you can change your name. Just you go to your country, newspaper advertisement, and do some affidavit. Your name will be changed to from Mydhilli to Monica. Then Monica will have a passport from all those Caribbean countries just by 200,000 USD, which is 700,000 AED approximately. You will get your new passport, new nationality. So those are the challenges for our kind of people. How to find out, how to connect. Yes, this Monica is actually Mydhilli. So those are the challenges for us. So, but yes, we have our intelligent team, the date of birth, the place of birth, previous nationality. So somehow we try to connect if there is a person who is in the sanctioned list, who is in the negative list of any government, we try to find out and we report. For small transaction it's fine, but when it's a bigger transaction and the person is connected to any terrorist organization, any government's tax default list, we need to report. If we are not doing this, is a very risky job for us, because we undersign with my client that we will take care of this. So we must have a mechanism, must have an intelligent team who can handle this. So this is a challenging job, but yes, we are doing successfully for many people, Mydhilli.
That's a great information, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for discussing more about the challenges and our teamwork and the strategies to implement in businesses. So lastly, I want to conclude, like I would like to know about your suggestions in golden diamonds and real estate businesses.
Suggestion, Mydhilli, generally I would like to advise to all those people who are in the gold and diamond and real estate companies, don't take it for granted. In UAE, policies means it's by nature it's strict. Government told you, get your license to do business, get AML registered. Have your person for the AMLRO. If you don't want to hire anyone, contact our team. Elevate has a very good team to understand your requirement, understand the number of transactions you have. Accordingly, we will give you a proposal to take care of everything so that peacefully you can do business. If someone is coming from the government department, you need not require to get scared, because you are ready to attend them, you are ready to answer them. So there will be no penalties. Just by paying 30,000-40,000 to our team, you can protect yourself from 500,000 or 1 million dirham penalty in a year. You don't have any other option if you are in the real estate and gold and diamond. If you have a motorcycle, can you ride the motorcycle without a helmet? No. So same way, you will have to spend 2,000 dirhams for a good helmet, right? So if you have a real estate and gold and diamond business, you need to pay Elevate to help them to protect you from all government penalties. Sometimes if you are not following government rules and regulation in terms of AML, government will not compromise. Government will straightforward give you a bigger penalty and they might seize your license. Because anti-money laundering is the respect of UAE government. If we are not following, it means the government of UAE is losing respect in the global market. People should not say in UAE it's easy to convert your illegal money to legal. So that's the government's respect. So we all need to follow, and we generally recommend to all those clients, please take it serious and onboard your MLRO and your compliance officer. We are certified, we are qualified, we are experienced in the auditing and accounting and anti-money laundering services. So come to us, understand if you can afford us, sign contract with us and be safe and secure in terms of anti-money laundering law. Thank you, Mydhilli.
That's a great, sir. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you, Mydhilli. Thanks for arranging this. I hope this discussion, if our client will see, by spending 10-15 minutes, you will understand how it is important.
Yes, that's true, sir. That's true. Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much for sharing your knowledge and experience with us, sir. We'll look more forward.